Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss something related to life insurance only. And in this video, we're going to discuss different age and different gender. They are going to pay even a different amount of money to the insurance company towards their sum assured. So, what is sum assured? Even especially used for this life insurance, so that you can go and watch my sum assured video, and then you can come back and then you can understand what is all about this sum assured, and then you can watch this video. So let me tell you, sum assured, whatever I'm going to take, if it is, let's say, for 1 year, maybe 2 year, maybe 3 year, or maybe beyond that, or maybe below this, if I'm a male or if I'm a female, so for male, even I'm going to pay a little bit high, the amount what I'm going to pay towards my this sum assured to the insurance company, it would be a little bit high if I'm a male. If I'm a female, I'm going to get even a little bit less. If I'm going to pay even a little bit less. Even though, again, if I look out, my age is, let's say, if I'm a male, even my age is 20, or maybe same once crore if I'm going to take the sum assured. Even age of 30, if I'm going to take the same even 1 crore of sum assured. Even age of 40, again, if I'm going to take the same kind of sum assured, or maybe age of 50, even being a male, I'm going to even end up for same coverage a different even amount. When I'm age of 20, it will be less. When I'm age of 30, it will be a little bit more. When I'm age of 40, it will be definitely more than even 20 of or my 30. And definitely when I'm age of 50, it will be all together, it will be the highest one. As age increases, as I told you, so this amount also it will be increased. Similarly, if I'm a female, let's say, so if my age of 20, age of 30, age of 40, and age of 50, same coverage, the 1 crore sum assured, again, if I take an example, so I'm going to pay even little bit more, even as my age even increase. Definitely, I'm going to pay a little bit less compared to the male, even though the same male is age of 20. For 1 year, the male, how much they are going to pay even towards this coverage to the insurance company, or a female, even how much they are going to pay for the same coverage even 1 year towards even an insurance company. It will be a little bit less compared to male for the female. Again, even compared to age of 30, again, it will be for female, it will be less. Similar example for 40, similar example for the 50. Now, why is all about these changes? Why it will happen? And what is all about this meaning? I understood, yes, somebody has told, somebody, I mean, I read out somewhere that this is how it is, because as a layman, even I do not know how it is going to work on based on what it is getting being triggered. I don't know. So let me tell you this entire concept, the paying even different age or different gender, more, less, high, even this entire even amount towards the insurance company, towards my coverage, as you know the basic concept of sum assured, so that already I have discussed in my video. So only I told just go watch and then come back. The entire concept works actually in a different concept, and this concept we are going to discuss maybe some other video, but yes, this video is giving me an idea. If I'm a male, even by gender, even I'm a female, and on the same age, or maybe my age grows, I'm going to pay up even an additional amount. So it is up to you, it is your choice whether you want to cover it even on the lower age, or you are going to even cover up even on the higher age. Yes, definitely gender it will be same. So you have to take a wise call. You want to pay more or you want to pay less. Even another benefit I can also say you with this concept, if I'm going to even not only going to save my money at the age of 20 or maybe below that, also I'm going to take a coverage even for my entire even term, also it will be high. Because let's say if I'm giving another scenario, let's say today this product actually allows me to take a coverage, or maybe this will be taken my entire even my life coverage till my age of 80. So if I'm going to take this age of 20, so I'm going to get a coverage of 60 years. If I'm going to take this coverage even age of 30, so I'm going to get of 50 years coverage. Similarly for 40, similarly for 50, I'm going to get even 40 years or 30 years coverage. Paying more, again, getting my less coverage for less years, for less term itself. So think in that way, and it is your decision, it is your family, it is your coverage, it is your safety, it is your risk coverage. So you have to take a call before you call any of the financial advisor, before you take any decision to any of the insurance product. You have to make your mind and you have to analyze all these things, then you finally you can decide even about a policy to purchase, even what coverage and what age I need to go ahead. Thanks. Thanks for watching.